Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be making pilau masala. Pilau masala is it's like an East African dish, and it consists of like rice flavored with spices. Stock it with meat, poultry, or fish, whatever choice you wanna do. But today I'm gonna be making my pilau masala with chicken. But mostly people use beef. But today I wanna make chicken pilau masala. The ingredients that I'm gonna use. First of all, we've got our onions. Then we've got our garlic. Then coriander or dhania, I don't know how some people call it dhania, gania, something like that. And then we've got our chicken. Then of course we have to have the rice, and then cooking oil, then dark soy sauce, and then the spices. We have to use the pilau masala itself, and then we've got some tomato paste and then some salt. So first of all, what I'll need to do is I have to heat my pan. I have to heat the pan, and then I'll add some cooking oil, 2 spoons of cooking oil. Most people use 2 spoons, but I know how to measure my oil. So then we're gonna heat our stove until our cooking oil is ready, and then we're gonna put the chopped onions. So before they turn brown, we're gonna put our chicken. We're gonna put our chicken and our chopped onions at the same time. And we're gonna be stirring until the onions turn brown. So when the onions turn brown, then we have to add in some little bit of water. See anything because of the smoke. Now that the onions are brown, you have to add in tomato paste. 1 teaspoon is enough. Then we're gonna add in our crushed garlic. Some people prefer to add ginger, but I don't like ginger. And now we're gonna add our flour masala.